Here's Brady playing catch with Daddy. Their version of catch, anyway. He gets so excited, babe. He gets so excited to play this with Daddy. Oh, where'd he go? You just always want to crawl up on this couch, don't you? I see a baseball. Oh, Daddy. Say, Daddy, don't do that or you're in trouble. Yeah, get it. Get the football. Get it. Get it. Tell Daddy to do his sounds again.
Sit.
What's he doing? He's silly. Yeah. You're ready for some football?
Behind you. Fumble.
You're waving at it?